English Icelandic, go equals.
fara,
Laugh and learn fast. Welcome, let's.
fara.
Hey do. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and fresh practice boosts. Quick warm-up. Tap your foot, think, go, and say the Icelandic key.
fara,
Nice. Keep that rhythm, we're going places, literally. Your goal today. By the end, do can say who goes, where they go, and even agree to a plan like a local. Main pair. Go equals.
fara.
Key forms you'll hear today. I go.
Ég fer,
You, singular, go.
þú ferð,
He goes.
hann fer,
She goes.
hún fer,
It works.
það gengur,
We go.
við förum,
You, plural, go.
þið farið,
They go.
þau fara.
Quick forms you'll use. Repeat after me, do, short, snappy, and smiley. Go.
fara,
I go.
ég fer,
You, singular, go.
þú ferð,
He goes.
hann fer,
She goes.
hún fer,
It works.
það gengur,
We go.
við förum,
You, plural, go.
þið farið,
They go.
þau fara.
Mini dialogue, bus or bust. Listen in, do, then echo the punchlines. A. Shall we go now? B. Yes, we go.
Við förum,
Nuna. A. If it rains, she goes by bus.
hún fer,
Me straighto. B. He goes home.
hann fer heim,
Guide. Meeting at 6?
það gengur,
Crowd. Great, you, plural, go first.
þið farið,
A undan. Announcer. They go when the doors open.
þau fara.
Eager Harirner opnast. Culture tip. Reykjavik ready. Sound local, do, with tiny phrases that carry big friendly vibes. Everyday classic. Let's go to the pool.
Förum í sund,
Heading home? Say, we go now.
við förum núna.
Agreeing to plans without drama, it works.
Það gengur,
Speed drill. Say it before I do. I'll cue the English, do fire the Icelandic. Quick and bold. To go. Answer.
fara.
I go. Answer.
Ég fer,
You, singular, go. Answer.
þú ferð,
He goes. Answer.
hann fer,
She goes. Answer.
hún fer.
We go. Answer.
Við förum,
You, plural, go. Answer.
þið farið,
They go. Answer.
þau fara.
It works. Answer.
Það gengur,
Quiz. Tiny checks, big wins. No stress, do, just say it out loud and grin. Q1. What's the Icelandic infinitive for to go? A.
fara.
Q2. Say, they go. A.
Þau fara.
Q3. Complete. We go now.
Við förum núna.
Q4. Accept the plan at 6, it works.
Það gengur,
Challenge. Real lifelines. Pretend you're at the door, keys in hand. Go. Say, I go with an umbrella.
ég fer.
Me rin lif. Tell a friend, singular, you go first.
Þú ferð.
First. Announce to your group, You, plural, go left, we go right.
Þið farið.
Till vinstri.
Við förum.
Till hegri. Be decisive. She goes, he goes, it works.
Hún fer. Hann fer. Það gengur.
Wrap up. Crushed it, do. Keep your momentum rolling. Thanks for listening. Practice your go phrases.
Fara. Ég fer. Við förum. Þið farið. Þau fara.
And drop.
Það gengur.
When plans sound good. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more lessons, games, and resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.